In this video, let me show you how to manage and how to change the sound settings in Peugeot cars. In this particular case, I've got Peugeot 3008, but it should look similar in your Peugeot car. So at the very beginning, you need to find this home screen. If you tap the home button located under the screen, under the display, under also the ventilators, you should find this screen. Now let's find the settings. So this gear icon, let's just tap settings. From the list of settings, you can use the left side of the screen and scroll down to choose audio. If you tap audio, you've got access to 3 sections: sound settings, radio settings, and volume settings. Let's choose the first one, which is sound settings. Alright, so here you can use a few things that you can adjust. So one of them is Ambient Sound. So you can use the natural. It plays the audio exactly as it was recorded without extra processing. It's just the natural sound. Or you can use the dynamic right here. So boost the energy of the music, usually by enhancing the highs and lows, and it makes the sound feel like more alive, more powerful. It could be useful sometimes, it could make a difference, but in my case I like this natural sound. Here we've got the equalizer, as you can see right here. So you can adjust the trebles, so you can adjust the high frequency sounds, you can adjust mid, so adjust you can adjust middle frequencies, mostly human voices and guitars. Increasing this makes the vocals stand out more. You can also change the bass, so you can adjust low frequency sounds. Increasing this gives you more vibration and depth, so you can decide either you would like to increase it or decrease it. You can use those switchers right here, or you can use them in the middle. You've got also here the balance, as you can see, balance and fader. So this screen controls where the sound is coming from inside the card. You can move the sound between the left and right speakers. This is like the balance, or you can also adjust the fader, so move the sounds between front and back speakers. And if you mess something here in audio settings, you can also scroll down and use reset. So if you want the sound to be equal for everyone, and simply just bring back the factory default settings of your audio, let's use this reset audio settings. Let me do it. If you are sure, let's tap reset, and that's it. You just reset the audio settings. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.